Guys, welcome back, and today we're with Boss.
Hey Ben.
So guys, we're at the park now. Here it is. Okay, it's on half.
So it's not crash into her.
Okay, go.
Good?
Yeah.
Whoops, I wasn't even filming. I was filming the ground.
That was sick.
I know.
Don't film the ground this time.
Actually,
That was such a good fight. Now actually filming.
I am filming it. Oh, you're going to stall. Crash. A bit of a crash.
I'll have one more and then you have a go.
All right.
There it is. There it is. That didn't look good.
That's a good play. Turn left. Turn right. No, you're good. It's an awesome play there. Move down a little bit.
Go down and way down here.
Come around. Nice. Easy. That's a good play.
This is a good fight.
Awesome play.
Oh!
Did a loop.
The kids are going like, whoa, no.
Good. Bring it back to you. Nice. That's an excellent play, Evan. Oh! Let me get down.
I tried to do a forward.
Throttles off. Cool. All right. Ready for your next flight?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Nice recovery. At the bench.
Okay, I need to get back on track. I need to get...
It's okay.
I was doing a bunch of loops. So guys, we got some excellent flying, but a bit of a rough landing, so we need to go and repair it, and then I'm ready to go back on the golf course. We're going to have some better flights, because that one was pretty good.
That was excellent. Really fantastic pilot. An ace.
So I'm going to pause it here, and I'll see you when we're home. Guys, welcome back, and today we're back with the plane, and let's try it out. We're going to start off, hopefully. Oh. And it's over. Okay.
Land it so you can see it.
Nice.
Yep.
We'll get that. We will go back at the house. Okay. Is it bent?
It's okay. I just kind of straightened it as best I could.
Okay,
Which way do you want to?
Oof.
Okay, don't climb. Turn left. Get it down. Get so
Very
try not to be scratching the window.
something's gone there.
Yeah, that's fell off over at the park. Now let's check our repair on the tail. That's good.
No, I don't think it's okay. Yeah, good.
You're climbing. Oh,
Oh. Okay. That was up. Evan, what was that? Okay. He's off. Looking good so far. Fire loop, boss. He's not got enough speed. Where's he going?
Try and level flight.
Try a loop.
Well, I gotta get it. Let me go down.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Need a repair. We'll get the cello.
Okay, no. Turn it off.
Yep.
Back. in a sec, guys. The back tentacle. We fixed up the wing. Oh, that was nearly good.
It's this tail is busted now.
Guys.
This goes in, but we've got this is damaged.
Guys, the plane's up. Oh, nice.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Alright, off we go. Up again.
Power off. Good. All right. I'll repair it again.
Right, technical difficulties again.
Technical
Try
difficulty.
and keep everything up. Just for the video, I'm just gonna do a flip. Go! Right, go, get off, go. Oh! Nearly backflip. Go. I can nearly land this. Go. Oh, go. Go. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, you hit. Are you getting soaked? Look at it, guys. What is it everywhere? Flip, go! Yeah, right, you can get off now, you like it. Oh, that was just funny. How did you do that? Oh, guys, it's Kai's going now. Let's go.
Let's see it. Turn left. Let's go
Try not to
left,
nosedive.
left.
Guys, we're off once again, like 10 million times. To the right. What? That clipped that branch up there. Right? Anything wrong? Anything wrong? Turn it off, Go. Keep to the right, to the right. Remember, to the right. Right, good. Now a bit to the left. Oh, he's going down. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right.
A little bit. Easy. To the right. Over-controlling.
Oh, fine. Oh, went over. It landed. Landed perfectly. Hopefully there's nothing wrong. Doesn't look like
Really
it.
hard. Like
He's
stubble.
going now.
Right in the middle. To the right. Good.
Come back. Nice.
To the left. Good. Left. Back in front of you. Get it down. Beautiful.
We're back, and that was a sick landing. Yeah, I filmed it. Alright. Hey, follow on.
Ready, Kai?
Go.
Nice. Beautiful.
Turn.
Oops.
Oh.
Careful. Be gentle.
Alright. Let's go. Turn it.
Subtle controls, Kai, not over controlling. Other way. Nope, it helps.
See what? That's good.
Power off.
Thanks, let's go. Then we're going to do a box. And then I'm have a go. And we're going to keep on doing that. So, throttle on. Prepare for takeoff.
Nice one.
What's on?
Let's try and climb. Put the nose down just a tad. Turn it left. And left. Give it throttle.
Try and land.
Might be out of range. Wow, awesome flying, Kai.
Did you get that whole thing? Yeah. Back once again. Evan's having another fly.
To the left. Easy. Good.
Oh. No side. Anything wrong?
Very fine!
No, it's not. Look. Oh, guys. Oh, no.
bring it back to boss.
Guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
And thanks for my brother for editing this.
Sorry about we had to end it because we didn't have time to fix it. We just thought it's enough flying for one day. And yeah, I edited it. Say thank you. So guys, that's going to be it. Peace.
Peace.